Your captions sound nice, but not clickable, right? Let me give you 5 words that make people stop scrolling and actually buy. Because the truth is, your followers won't turn into clients because of pretty pictures, they convert because of your words. And the best part, you don't need to be a professional writer to use them. You just need to understand a few psychology triggers. When I started writing for brands, I made one mistake. That is, I wrote beautiful captions that did nothing. They had emojis, nice flow, perfect grammar, but nobody clicked, nobody commented, and definitely nobody bought anything. Then one day, a client said, "Your post is nice, but it doesn't make me feel anything." That one sentence hit me hard. That's when I started studying copywriting, not just how to write, but how to influence decisions. Because people don't act because of information, they act because of emotions. And that's exactly what copywriting triggers do. Copywriting triggers are specific words or phrases that make your audience feel something instantly, like curiosity, urgency, trust, or excitement. These are the words that turn a boring caption into that makes people click, DM, or buy. So let's go through the 5 powerful copywriting triggers you can start using today. And yes, I will show examples for each. Trigger 1 is because. This one sounds too simple, but it's backed by psychology. When you use the word because, you give people a reason to trust you. Example, join my course to learn content writing. This is so basic. Instead, join my course because you will finally start getting clients with your words. See how that second one builds logic and emotion together. People love reason, even small ones, because it satisfies the brain why factor. So next time you promote something, don't just tell, give the reason why. Trigger 2 is imagine. This one is my favorite. Imagine makes people visualize success before it even happens. Like imagine waking up to your first client message. Imagine creating content that people actually save and share. It's powerful because it shifts their mind from I can't to maybe I can. When you write like this, you're not selling a product, you're selling a feeling. And feeling sells faster than facts. And trigger 3 is instantly. We live in a faster world. People want quick wins. That's why words like instantly, in minutes, or right now perform extremely well. Like get 10 post ideas instantly. Fix your captions in 2 minutes. It creates momentum. People think, oh, this is easy, let me give a try. This works amazingly well in call to action and free offers because everyone loves instant results. Trigger 4 is free. Let's be honest, who doesn't love the word free? But here is a secret, don't overuse it. Use it strategically instead of just saying free guide. Say, grab my free guide to write captions that convert. You're not selling the freeable, you're selling the result they will get from it. And if you don't already have a free resources, create one. A small checklist or PDF can help you build trust and get new leads daily. Trigger 5 is limited. Now this one triggers FOMO, a fear of missing out. Limited makes people take action now and not later. Like limited slots available this week. Offer ends tonight. Only 3 spots left for one-to-one coaching. Because when something feels scarce, it feels valuable. And let's be real, nobody wants to miss a good opportunity. Now let's give a try to this. Take your latest Instagram caption and rewrite it using at least 2 of these triggers. Example, learn how to write a great caption. After, see which one feels more alive, more clickable, and more human. And that's what copywriting does. It gives your words emotion, purpose, and direction. Now you know the 5 most powerful copywriting triggers because it gives reason, imagine builds emotion, instantly adds speed, free adds value, and limited adds urgency. Start using them today. Your caption will not just sound nice, they will sell. Subscribe for more daily tutorials on content writing, digital marketing, and freelancing growth. See you in the next one.